What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, we're going to be taking care of these All-White Salomon ACS Pros that have went on one hell of a crazy adventure, as you can see by how dirty these things are. But I can confidently say Salomon has successfully transitioned from being a niche outdoor brand to a major player in the streetwear. Let us know in the comment section down below. You rocking with Salomons in 2025? But as you can see how dirty these things are, we gotta make them look as pristine as possible. So that's why we got our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's go ahead and get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, before we start this cleaning, let me set these shoes a little out the way real quick so I can show you what actually comes inside our signature kit. You're getting all three of our signature brushes, your soft, medium, and stiff. 4-ounce solution, adjustable shoe trees, microfiber towel, and of course our patent sneaker laundry bag. We're also gonna be using our cleaning mat that acts as our cleaning station. The mat is highly absorbent, so if any water, dirt, or suds lands on the mat, it's really just gonna soak it up and not make a muddy, murky mess. Besides the mat, we're showcasing today our dry rack bowl combo that I already have our brushes stored. This is gonna act great to allow your brush to properly drip dry. Plus, it comes with a bowl that you can pour your water in. Our sneaker laundry detergent will also come in clutch for today's cleaning. With that being said, I can go ahead and just grab one of these shoes, set it aside. Normally we would remove our shoelaces. However, this is kind of a toggle lace system that doesn't remove. Not too worried about it. Again, I'm sure these are gonna get flushed out in the laundry system, but we're just gonna insert our adjustable shoe tree. Now we have that nice hard toe box, and we can get going. All right, so we got the shoe tree in. It gives us that nice hard toe box so we can apply as much as pressure as I need to during the cleaning process, as well as once it's in the washer. As you can see, the sneaker shouldn't bend and it's just gonna keep the form and integrity. With that said, I do wanna grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution. This stuff is highly concentrated and packs a punch. This bottle will clean up to 50 pairs of sneakers. So let me go ahead and just squirt a squirt. I always like to start our cleaning off and kick off as much as dirt and grime as possible before pushing it into the material. So the soft brush is gonna work great at doing that. Regardless of the material, it won't fray or snag. So let me just start the dry brush. Dry brushing is an important step because you don't want to push the dirt deeper in the material. When dealing with mesh like this, if you go about getting it wet, all you're really doing is pushing it deeper in. So again, brushing it out will just help with the cleaning process. It looks like majority of this dirt is really solidified and caked on into the sneaker. So I'm not gonna be able to dry brush any more off. With that said, I think we can just start cleaning. Always recommend starting with your soft bristle brush. It's just the softest in our brush arsenal and just gonna generate the most bubbles. So let's get bubbly. This sneaker does have some very unique materials. Obviously you have your mesh, you have some rubber, plastic materials. Around this toe cap area, I'm not quite sure what this material is, but it's definitely very hard to touch. Plastics and rubbers all throughout the shoe, but again, majority of it is an all mesh shoe. That's why the soft bristle brush and our sneaker laundry system will be key to making this shoe look right. All right guys, I did one quick pass over with the soft bristle brush. Right now it's perfect time for me to grab our microfiber towel that does come inside our signature kit as well, and really just wipe off the suds and bubbles and see what type of deeper stains we are working with. I'm seeing a lot of trapped in stains on the mesh areas throughout the tongue and the toe box. This mesh on the side panels is a little more unique, kind of translucent, plastic to touch. But again, that looks like it's cleaning pretty good. Really just these toe box and tongue that I gotta focus on right now. To do so, I'm gonna be using our medium bristle brush. First, I'm gonna do the midsoles and some of these plastic hardware areas, and then I'll brush in one direction on some of those sections, and then these insoles. Can't forget about cleaning the insole. One thing I do want to highlight, the mesh on this sneaker is a lot more durable compared to other meshes. So this medium brush works great. I'm just brushing in one direction and it's not causing any fraying or snagging, which is a plus. However, again, I want to mention all meshes may be differently. So again, if you guys are cleaning your mesh at home, just make sure you brush in one direction just for precaution. Again, a lot of people don't like cleaning the insides of their sneakers, but if you have an outdoor sneaker like this, I'm sure you've got a lot of sweat in there. So make sure you get nice and deep like and clean those shoes. Also, I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not, but since this is that translucent see-through mesh, I'm really scrubbing on the inside to help get all this trapped in dirt out. Just like I was scrubbing the inside because of all those trapped in odors, if your insole is removable, again, not all of them are, you want to make sure you scrub and clean this as well. The laundry system is going to flush out both, but again, we're just getting that extra level of cleanliness so we can really say these shoes are fully rejuvenated. All right, we are all done with our soft bristle brush and our medium bristle brush. By default, our last brush is going to be our stiff bristle brush. This is the stiffest brush in our arsenal. It's going to work great cleaning these outsoles and midsoles. Since this is kind of an outdoor trendy sole, it has a lot of different grooves. I'm really using this brush to try to get into every little crevice that I can get to really get off all that trapped in mud. Pretty much wrapped up with this outsole. One common question we get is, why do you guys clean your outsoles? They're just gonna get dirty again. We know, but here at Rejuvenator, we don't feel a shoe is fully clean until we clean the tops, the bottoms, uppers, midsoles, outsoles, all of that. We wanna make sure the shoe is fully clean so that it looks as pristine as possible. And this shoe, it's almost there. We've already took care of the uppers with the soft, medium, and stiff. The last thing we really have to do is put the shoe in the washer using the sneaker laundry system. With that said, I do have our sneaker laundry bag right here. Just gonna go ahead and pop the shoe in like so. The goal here is to get the sneaker inside the laundry bag without hitting the camera. Got the sneaker in the bag, got our sneaker laundry detergent. So now we're gonna make our way to the washing machine. Friendly reminder, when washing your sneakers, make sure you guys wash with cold water and with Rejuvenator sneaker laundry detergent. If you use hot water, you could potentially damage your shoe because it may agitate the glue. All right, guys, we are back. Overall, I'm extremely happy with these results. The sneaker laundry system outdone itself. Once again, these mesh panels are fully flushed out. I'm not seeing any trapped in stains all around these plastic sections. There's no more dirt, no more scuffs or scrapes. This midsole, it polished up and it looks phenomenal. The only thing that doesn't look phenomenal is this dirty pair. So let me go ahead and bring it in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, off camera, we did have a little accident. Vic Almighty got into a little tussle with the vacuum cleaner. And looks like the vacuum cleaner one destroyed our shoe, but again, he is a master restorer. So if you guys want to see Vic Almighty possibly restore this, put it together, he's probably gonna have to use like some nanotechnology, maybe even some ancient Wakandan welding techniques to make that possible. But again, drop those comments, let us know. But again, let's just get a better close-up of how dirty these shoes are, and you can see how well they cleaned up. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at rejuvenator.com, as well as all your other shoe care needs. Again, you can go to rejuvenator.com right now, and I'm about to hook you guys up with an exclusive promo code. It's gonna be Salomon20 to save you 20% off, but it is only gonna be good for the first 20 orders, to make sure you guys act fast. Before I bounce, I do wanna let you guys know about this month's giveaway. We are hooking someone up with the reimagined black metallic 5s. Make sure you comment down below your shoe size, you're subscribed to YouTube, and you're following us on Instagram. With all that being said, we'll catch y'all in another Shoe Care Academy. Peace.